What's up guys, Vaughn here, Scholar Painting and Restoration. This is our first of many vlog videos we'll be doing on the trials and tribulations as a historical contractor here in Connecticut. We're going to check out a new project we're up and doing up in Hartford, a church built in 1695. Let's go check out what Rob and Howard are doing.
Albert, come on. I need this. It depends on the future of the company for work, so...
They don't even have me.
Come on.
I'm going halfway.
Okay, so pretty much what we have here is an epoxy. Flexible epoxy. What it does is it goes into the wood. It's applied to the wood, to any joints, cracks, and it refurbishes the wood. We have two different applications. One is more for the smaller joints, which is the X100 Conserve, and the other one will be the X200 Conserve epoxy. When we get these together, we have the filler. So when you get a bigger gap, a bigger joint, you apply the filler to this bash here, and with the thickener, what this does, depends how much you add to the bash, it thickens up the solution where you could actually pretty much scope it to the shape you want and fill in the holes depending on how big they are. Alright, let's go check it out. Hey guys, how's it going?
Fantastic.
Awesome.
What's going on?
So right here we're actually applying the epoxy to the wood, to any joints, cracks that the wood being so old and decaying. This is gonna restore the wood and keep its original characteristics. It's a little lower. So this is the clock. Original. This church was built in the early 1600s. We restored the complete trim around the clock here. So all this was sent out, specially made according to the dimensions we gave them. And now we have to restore the crown molding that's existing here, all original crown molding. So it's a restoration job. We want to restore what's on here and not install any new materials. So we did have to cut out a piece here where we're gonna be installing a new piece of wood, and then with the epoxy we're gonna blend it all in and give it the same look as it had originally. All right guys, so we have here Howard. He is our foreman. Howard,
How you doing? This is the third balustrade level on the Hartford Center Church, and what we've done here is we've pulled all the paint off, and when in doing so, we've exposed the original builders of the church. Their names are all carved in on here, dating from 1807 to 1823. There's a couple of famous guys on here. S.S. Osgood, who went on later to paint presidential portraits out west, in Houston, Davy Crockett, that type. There's also William Wadsworth's name is on here. They were both probably about 1920 when they were building it, and the amphitheater across the street is named after him, as well as Wadsworth State Park, Wadsworth Falls are all named after him. I believe he was the first governor of Hartford. This is the second oldest building that was built in Hartford. The first one was the old State House, which we can see from here, and then this building here. And currently what I'm doing here is we've replaced all the balustrades, the old balustrades, with the original white cedar wood that was originally around this area. This church was built with the trees from the area, so it was hard for us. We had a special order of the wood. And we were doing the bottom trim pieces here, replacing that. We're trying to keep as much as the original church as possible. And we've been able to save probably 95% of the original wood, either by restoration work or by replacing with some of the original pieces where we could fit them in. And this particular level is just finalized, some final caulking and puttying work, and then we're going to be ready to put a finish coat and start working our way down towards the bell tower level.
So up here we have what we like to call the finial. And right now it's all prepped and ready. We just have to sand it down, and after sand it, we'll prime it and we'll paint it. And it'll be all set.
Hey guys, what you think? That's a tall church, isn't it? As you know, this is our first video we've done, and I'd love to get your feedback. Leave some comments down below on what you liked and didn't like. Thanks.